Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a PDF fillable here in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Making a PDF fillable in Adobe Acrobat Pro involves converting it into a form where users can enter data in text fields, checkboxes, or other interactive elements. So once you have opened the Adobe Acrobat Pro, I want you to open the PDF file and go to the All Tools section right here. If you can't find it, go to the View More and click the option that says Prepare Form. Acrobat will prompt you to select the file you want to convert a fillable form. All right, and obviously you just have to choose your PDF file. You see, there's an option that says this document requires signature. If you want that, if it's needed, you might want to click the checkbox here. All right, now there should be an option here that says Start or Create Form. I want you to click on it. You see, there's going to be a status update on the bottom right corner, which has page pass, page 101, no new form field annotators were detected. Click on OK. Now, in this section, you can prepare a form, all right, add a text content. For example, the text is going to be this kind of, let's say for Arial black for the font size, right? So maybe 772. You can also add almost other information here, such as checkbox if you want. All right, a radio button, a drop down list, a signature field. We have a separate video on how to add a signature, all right, that you might want to check in our channel. Click on the request signatures button here. All right, so this is going to be the fill and sign yourself. You can add a recipient to each side of this document. You can add many people here. For example, if you're working with multiple freelancers or maybe a new recruit on board, all right, so you can use all of these, especially if you're working with people for new contracts and hires and whatnot. You see, recipients can sign in minutes, no file printing or scanning required. This is really good for contracts and NDAs. All right, so you can also click on the specify word to sign in. But for now, we're gonna skip this. We're gonna skip this for now. Now after that, there is an e-signature block field. If you wanted, you can put in here, distribute, center, and align. All right. Initials field, you can add that. Job title field, company name field if you want, full name field, email field, and date field. All right. Click on preview if you want. If you don't have that, again, go to the create button here. It's a new one. Select a file if you don't have. All right. And once you have put all the added components here in the PDF or document that you are creating, all right, if the Acrobat doesn't detect all fields required, you can manually add them, like here, right? You can add the checkbox, add the text fields, radio button, you see that, e-signature, and a lot more. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.